Got a Section 8 rental but struggling to find tenants? You're not alone. Most landlords don't realize that there are simple ways to get pre-approved tenant fast. I'll show you exactly where to find Section 8 tenants and fill your rentals ASAP so you can start collecting guaranteed rent now. Here's why you don't want your unit sitting empty. Every month is vacant equals money lost. Good tenants get snatched up fast. Housing authorities have long wait lists. You need to act now. Most landlords fail because they only wait on the housing authority, which takes forever. They don't list their properties in the right places and they miss out on hidden strategy that fill units fast. I'll show you how to fix that right now. Before we get started, let me tell you about Mike. Mike had a Section 8 unit sitting empty for 3 months while he waited for the housing authority to send him a tenant. By the end of this video, you'll know the 4 strategies I gave him that got his unit filled in less than a week. Step 1, list your properties on affordablehousing.com, the #1 website for finding pre-approved Section 8 tenants. How to list your properties. Create a free landlord account. Upload high-quality photos and detailed description. Include rental price, deposit info, and move-in date. Make your listings stand out by highlighting things tenants care about, like security, parking, or nearby public transportation. Step 2, work directly with your local housing authority. Most landlords don't know this, but your local housing authority have a list of Section 8 tenants actively searching for houses. What to ask for: a current list of approved tenants looking for rentals, a contact list for caseworkers who place tenants quickly, info on any landlord incentive. Some cities offer bonuses. Pro tip: some housing authorities even have tenant placement services that fill your unit faster. Step 3, post in local Facebook housing group. Another gold mine for Section 8 tenants, Facebook housing group. How to find them? Go to Facebook and search your city Section 8 housing. Join the top group with the most members. Post your rental listing with key details. What to include in your post: rental amount, location, move-in date. Say you accept Section 8. Tenants are searching for this. Ask interested tenants to DM you or comment. Respond quickly. Good tenants get snatched up fast. Step 4, ask current tenants for referrals. Already have a Section 8 tenant? Ask them for a referral. Why this work? Pre-vetted referrals, they already know the program. Less screening hassle. If one tenant is great, their referrals likely great too. Fill vacancy faster. No waiting on housing authority list. Pro tip: offer a small cash bonus, $50 to $100 for successful referral. Motivates tenants to help. Let's recap. List on affordablehousing.com, formerly known as section8.com. Get a tenant list from the housing authority. Post in your local Facebook housing group. Ask current tenant for referrals. Follow these 4 strategies and you will fill your rental fast with pre-approved, reliable Section 8 tenants. But here's the thing: even if you find great tenants, if your property isn't priced right, Section 8 won't approve it. Now that you know where to find tenants, what if I told you that there's a simple trick to maximize your Section 8 rent so you can make the most money possible? Keep an eye out for my next video where I show you how to set your Section 8 rent for maximum profit.